This week is National Nurses Week, a time to recognize the contributions made by nurses across the country, including many here in Madison.
At UW Health, identical twins are working in the field, following in the footsteps of their mother. McKenna Alexander shares their story.
This Nurses Week, a family that's cumulatively spent almost 50 years working at UW Health is reflecting on their time in the profession, as well as what first inspired them to become nurses.
Hi there, I'm Jenna, and I'm going to be your nurse today.
As Jenna Scheinstein and Paula Pope enter their 20th year as nurses at UW Health, they're looking back on who first inspired them to help people.
Our mom was a very compassionate human being, at least. She's taught us that, brought us up that way. And that ingrained in us, for sure.
Before retiring in 2013, Denise Shermy worked as a nurse in the operating room at University Hospital for 37 years. That dedication stuck with these twins.
When she would get called away during snowstorms, even when school would get closed off, she'd still have to go in, and that kind of embedded in our heads that, she must be doing something important. And indeed she was. She was helping people. And that kind of stuck with us very early on.
From there, Jenna and Paula went on to do just that, help others when they need it most.
We want to help people. We want people that needed help or people in need, and to be there for them, especially when they're most vulnerable. And we want to be advocates for them, too.
But being a nurse hasn't always been easy, especially during a global pandemic, which was a critical time for these two.
Because in the beginning of COVID, medical profession were just praised so much. People spoke so kindly and so positive of us, but then as time went on, people kind of frowned upon any medical professions, but that in itself... Yeah, we were a stigma. They were afraid of us. And I think that kind of gave us the courage to just keep going, just because we knew that care still needed to be done.
So this Nurses Week, this family of nurses is looking back while looking ahead toward the next generation of nurses and what it takes to become one.
Dedication, loyalty, perseverance, and stamina. Patience, not like real patience, but willing to learn. Yeah, communication's key, because you work with all levels of multidisciplinary. You work with doctors and then nursing assistants, medical assistants, and other nurses.
National Nurses Week continues through Friday, May 12th.